Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys. Today I'm going to show you a famous trading strategy on TradingView that gives you very accurate buy and sell signals. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from over trading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. This strategy works well with any time frame, but let's go ahead and start by opening up a gold chart with a 3-minute time frame. So we're going to go to our indicator section and type in Madrid. Then we'll select this indicator here called Madrid Moving Average Ribbon, and you can see it's a very popular indicator, guys. So far it has 24,509 users. So with this indicator, you can see we have this section here, this red section with the ribbons. So when all the ribbons are red, this indicates we are in a downtrend, and so we can take up selling positions. And so when the ribbons are all green, that means the market is in an uptrend and we'll be making buying positions in this case, okay? And the next indicator that we'll add will be Extreme Trend. So that's XTREME. And we only need the signals from this indicator, so let's go ahead and make some adjustments here. So we'll go to settings, then style, and let's uncheck the boxes for X trend and 200 EMA and hit OK. So let's take a look at our chart. So if you take a look right here, you can see with our Madrid ribbon indicator, we have the ribbons all in green indicating an uptrend, and we have a buy signal here from our X trend indicator. So we can see this is a very accurate buy position here. And also on this side here, we have the ribbons in red, and it's showing us a sell signal here. And you can look at the market and you see that it's going downwards, right? So we see this is another accurate signal right here. So here again, you see we have the red ribbons, and if you look closely here, we have a sell signal. And if you take a look at the market, it's going downwards here. So we could go ahead and use our short position tool and just take a quick look at how much we could possibly make right here. Let's place it right here, and we'll put our stop loss just at the previous high of the market, and we'll take our take profit down here. And you can see right here the risk reward ratio would be 2.04, so this would be a very profitable trade, guys. And if we take a look over here, you can see another section where we have the ribbons being green and we have a buy alert. So let's just go ahead and use our long position tool this time just to see what we could make at this section here. So we'll put our stop loss just a little above the signal and our take profit at the next high of the market right here. Wow, take a look at this, guys. That's a risk reward ratio of 4.79, so very profitable here, okay? And this also works for other time frames as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 5-minute time frame here for gold. As you can see here, we have some very accurate signals also on this time frame. We have the green ribbons here from our Madrid ribbon indicator and a buy signal from our X trend indicator here. So this is another great signal right here. And if you take a look here, we have another section where our market is trending downwards, and we have a sell signal right here, guys. So this is a very, very accurate and awesome indicator. So as you can see, guys, this is a very, very easy to use and accurate indicator. So hopefully you can get some profitable trades from this one, okay? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.